Downloading data from Disney Plus allows you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies offline. Follow these steps to download content from the platform. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app. Launch the Disney Plus app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Browse for content. Navigate through the app to find the movie or TV show you want to download. You can use the search function or browse through categories to locate your desired content. Step 3. Check download availability. Once you have selected the content, check if it is available for download. Look for a download icon, usually a download arrow next to the title. Not all content may be available for offline viewing. Step 4. Start the download. Tap on the download icon to begin downloading the content. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this may take a few moments. You can monitor the download progress in the app. Step 5. Access your downloads. After the download is complete, go to the downloads section in the app. Here, you can find all the content you have downloaded and watch it offline at your convenience. Enjoy your offline viewing experience with Disney Plus.